3. Give me one more minute, there will be seats soon. Busy greeting guests. Yiling from Vietnam, 28 years old, immigrated to Taiwan for 17 years, now is an independent owner. Inside and out the shop, going through the crowd, every dining time Yu is so busy that she couldn't stop. Good service, attitude, sincere. The soup is really good. This is simmered with chicken bone and pork bone because chicken bone will have a sweetness. Keep checking the soup condition in the kitchen. Who stood beside is Yu's mother, who helped the cooking is her brother. What she tell me to, I would help as I can, yeah, because that's being brother. Actually, thank them a lot, willing to support this way, supporting us. Actually, without their help, I couldn't have done it. Mainly, I think my mom can do it while retiring, don't have any stress. At first, opened the shop to not let mom so hard, and because she is a single mother, hope to have economical status. Though opening shop is tough, Yu didn't give up. At first, I daren't to rest, continued. I kept opening. I sleep only 4 hours because I do this on my own. So hardworking, a big reason lies in 2 childs. Always worked hard for family, then for kids must be more hardworking. More hardworking, then the child will have a better future, yeah. So it's all if one works hard or not. A shop carries a family's dream and the economical source. Yu helping each other with her family accomplished shop dream.